Good morning, dear students. Let's begin our class now. In the previous class, we studied exercise 4C. Today, let us begin the next exercise, that is exercise number 4D. You all please open your textbook, come to exercise number 4D. Question number 1. If x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. Read the question very carefully. If x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0 and x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube equal to 80xy is it? Evaluate x plus 2y whole square upon xy plus 2y plus 3z whole square upon yz plus 3z plus x whole square by zx. Now let's begin the solution. We have to find the value of x plus 2y whole square by xy plus 2y plus 3z upon xy plus 3z plus x whole square by hz. Look at the question. It is given the numerator of the first term, the numerator x plus 2y, and when you come to the second term, the numerator here is 2y plus 3z whole square. Likewise, in the third term, the numerator is 3z plus x whole square, and it is given in the question x plus 2y plus 3z equals 0. Let us write x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. Carefully look at this. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. Now we need x plus 2y. Here is x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to minus 3z. This implies, let's find out x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to, this plus 3z is taken to RHS, so that we get minus 3z. Look at the board very carefully. To get the value of x plus 2y, we take this third term, that is 3z we take to RHS, so that we get x plus 2y is equal to minus 3z. Here it is plus 3z. When it is taken to RHS, it becomes minus 3z. So we get x plus 2y is equal to minus 3z. Again, look at the numerator of the second term, 2y plus 3z whole square. Here it is 2y plus 3z. We have to write 2y plus 3z. So we take this plus x to RHS. That is 2y plus 3z is equal to, when this positive is x is taken to RHS, it becomes minus x. And look at the third part or third term. The numerator is 3z plus x whole square. We need 3z plus x. So 3z plus x, 3z plus x, 3z plus x is equal to, let's take this 2y plus 2y to RHS, so that we get minus 2y. Once more, I repeat the same. Very carefully look at the board. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, which implies x plus 2y. This is x plus 2y. We write this x plus 2y here in the LHS itself, and we take this positive 3z to RHS, so that it becomes minus 3z. Again, to get 2y plus 3z, why do we find 2y plus 3z? Because when you look at in the second term, the numerator is 2y plus 3z whole square. We need the value of 2y plus 3z. So we can find out 2y plus 3z from this line. That is 2y plus 3z is equal to minus x. This plus x, when taken to RHS, it becomes minus x. And again you look in the third term, the numerator is 3z plus x. So that we can write this 3z plus x is equal to 3z plus x is equal to this positive 2y. When you take to RHS, it becomes minus 2y. First of all, we have to write write the value of x plus 2y, 2y plus 3z, and 3z plus x. After writing this much, we have to evaluate this. So we will write it again, x plus 2y all square by xy plus 2y plus 3z all square by yz plus next term 3z plus x, 3z plus x upon all square upon zx is equal to. Now let us put the value of x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to minus 3z. Minus 3z all square upon same denominator xy plus 2y plus the value 2y plus 3z is 2y plus 3z is minus x. So minus x all square divided by yz, the denominator, plus 3z plus x. 3z plus x is equal to minus 2y. So minus 2y all square by denominator is zx. Now this is equal to minus 3z all square is plus 9z square by xy. Here the power is 2, which is an even number, therefore sign will be positive. 3 square is 9 z square plus, and here minus x all square is x square by yz plus 2y all square is 4y square upon zx. Once more, I repeat the same. Minus 3z all square is 9z square divided by same denominator xy. Then minus x all square is plus x square upon same denominator yz plus minus 2y all square is plus 4y square by denominator zx. Now this is equal to, here denominator in the first term xy, yz, and here it is zx. Let's take LCM. LCM of these xy, yz and zx is xyz. xyz. LCM of xy, yz and zx is xyz. And simplify. After simplifying, we get 9z cube. Divide this xyz by xy. xyz by xy means z. Then z square into z is z raised to 3. So we get here numerator 9z cube plus, here we get x cube. Here we get 4y cube. Now we have here 9z cube plus x cube plus 4y cube. Now look at the question. X cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube. If we can write once more this line, h cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube divided by xyz. We are rearranging the term. X term is written first, then Y term, then Z term. So that we get H cube plus Y cube, 4Y cube plus 9Z cube. Now, when you look at the numerator of this term, S cube plus 4Y cube plus 9Z cube is 18xy. The value of H cube plus 4Y cube plus 9Z cube is given in the question. This value is given in the question, that is 18xyz. So we can write this numerator becomes 18xyz divided by same denominator x, y, z. After cancelling x, y, z, we get the value 18. So the value of x plus 2y whole square by xy plus 2y plus 3z whole square by yz plus 3z plus x whole square by zx is equal to 18. This is the required answer of question number 1. Now let's go to second question. All of you read question number 2 from exercise 4D. Question 2. If a plus 1 by a is equal to m. Question 2. If a plus 1 by a is equal to m, where a is not equal to 0, find in terms of m. Find in terms of m the value of a minus 1 by a. Let's first solve first part, then we will go to the second part. Here it is given in the question, if a plus 1 by a is equal to m, find in terms of m. That means your answer contains the letter m. So, solution. We have already studied the formula, the identity a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4. After writing this identity that you learned in the previous class, we will put the value of a plus 1 by a. We know a plus 1 by a is equal to m. So we put the value a plus 1 by a equal to m. So we get here m square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4. We needed value of a minus 1 by a. This is negative. Let's take this term to RHS. So that we get a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to, this is equal to m square minus 4. This negative term is taken to RHS and this plus 4 is brought to LHS. So that we get m square minus 4. And therefore, a minus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus square root of m square minus 4 is the answer of first part. Please, how this question is, please look how this question is solved. A plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4. We write identity. After writing the identity, we substitute the value of a plus 1 by a that is given in the question. Therefore, it becomes m square minus a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 4. Then a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to m square minus 4. This is taken to RHS. This 4 is brought to LHS. And a minus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus square root of m square minus 4 is the answer of the first part. Let us solve the second part also. Find the value of a square minus a square minus 1 by a square. A square minus 1 by a square equal to a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. We know this identity. A square minus 1 by a square equal to a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. Now we have the value a plus 1 by a, that is plus m, and the value of a minus 1 by a we found out in the first part, that is plus or minus square root of m square. So after substituting both the values here, we get plus or minus m into square root of m square minus 4. Okay, carefully look. A plus 1 by a is m, this m, then a minus 1 by a is plus or minus square root of m square minus 4, that is written here, so that we get the final answer plus or minus m into square root of m square minus 4 is the answer of the second part. Dear students, you all are asked to copy the answer in your notebook and practice it very well. Let's conclude today's class now. We will continue tomorrow.